So hello everybody. So in this video I will talking about my biggest for now trading strategy, and this is the swing failure pattern. So what is the swing failure pattern? It's when the price made a high and you're waiting for this high to be taken, just like here. So you push up. I like to watch the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes candles for my entry. So you push up and you close below the wick, and this is for me is entry. So you took the liquidity above, stop out all the early shorts, and you ride your trade down. So I like to do scalp trades because I like to take very fast my first take profit one. And sometimes the scalp trades are turned into the swing trades, like this one. So I took my first profit at I will show you where I pulled this. So retracement from this low to the high into the CC level 618. Take my profits, and whatever happened, I made money. So what happened next? My trade was stop out with another swing failure pattern. So this happened very often when you swing failure pattern of the swing failure pattern. So same thing, you push up, but you close your candle below this high. You enter the trade, stop loss above the wick, and you ride the trade. And you ride it, oh my god, look at this, into another short opportunity. So look at this, you dump, you made your high, you don't take the first short here because you don't know what will happen. Maybe the price just gonna shoot up. So you wait for a swing failure pattern like me. So same thing happened. We push up, take the liquidity, stop out all the guys here, we close the candle below, your stop loss above, take the short, we have another push up, never take the stop loss, and you ride it again down. And for then you have a legendary, maybe legendary long opportunity. We made a lower low on Bitcoin 15.5, and you swing failure pattern this low. Look at this, and maybe this will be the legendary trade. You don't know, maybe this is the bottom. Me personally, I think we are not at the bottom just yet. I can expect something like this, maybe swing failure pattern of swing failure pattern. Stop out all the longs down here. Everybody gonna be bearish here, calling for 10k, 8k Bitcoin, and you just leave them all behind and ride the train. Yeah. So guys, this one is a quick one. So if you like this kind of shit, you can comment and give me some suggestions what you want me to learn you, and you can subscribe if you like. If you don't like, God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.